What if I tell you that this design was originally created by with Photoshop, but I want to show you exactly how you can recreate this with your smartphone. You will not even spend so much time, all right? Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Nia Muda, and I create Photoshop standard designs using my smartphone. All right, so let's go. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is to clear the size. So let's use a plain size like this. For the size of design, you go to this place over here, the three dots here, and click on image size to see the size of the design. The size we'll be using is 1015 for the width and 1280 for the height. The first thing we're going to do is to get our background, and this is going to be one of the easiest. All right, so this background is a blend of other backgrounds, right? It's not a very difficult thing to do or to achieve. By the way, I have a church flyer design course that you'll be interested in to know how to get any kind of resources for yourself. So sometimes you ask me all the time, sir, how do you download the resources? How do you get the exact image? My friend, is very, very easy. Just get this particular course right here. Just click, there's a link in the description. This link is in the description, all right? Just click on this link and purchase this course, all right? These are what you'll be learning in this course. You will also learn how to get, if you see there, I wrote it right there, how to get any kind of resources. Look at it, how to search for any kind of resources, all right, and many others, all right. So just currently now it is 10,000 naira, and over 100 persons are registered. I will increase the price very soon, all right. So just come over here, click on buy now, pay now, all right, and pay for it. Thank you. All right, so let's return back to the tutorial. So I've gotten the background. The next thing I want to do now, okay, let's get this guy. All right, let's get this guy. This is the logo. All right, the text is apostolic invasion. So let's go apostle. All right, so let's look for a font that we're gonna use. There are many fonts there, but let's see this one. Come over here and do this. Now, if you want to get the exact colors from the images, then you have to import the image so that you'll be able to see exactly what you're doing. So this is the image right here. All right, so the color here, we're going to just come over here and select the color. All right, so we'll rotate it. That's too much. That's still too much. Something like that. Okay. Then apostolic visitation, right? So let's come here and type visitation. Okay, so we just come and bring it here. All right, so for this, we just come over here. Okay, so this is the color actually. It's a brown color, but it's a dark one. Okay, okay, so I would even like to do this. I see that now. Then I'll come over to padding and I'll bring out this C. All right, so I'll do same for this. Um, then come to padding and make sure, because when you do this, you always cut out some words without knowing. So make sure you do this to always bring it out. All right, so after that, I want to drag this a little more. All right, so let's bring in the images. Okay, so I'm going to remove this, and I'm placing these guys one, two, three above, taking it up like this. Then this guy, I'm going to bring it here. Okay, okay, so let's change the color to this, preferably this. Right, then let's copy. Now at the base here, I think it's black, so let's move this here. Let's still move it here. All right, so let's copy this. Let's put it there. Copy and put it there. Copy and put it there. Copy and put it there. So we have something like this, right? All right, so for their names, we have three names. So let's come over here. We have Minister Theophilus Joe. So it's still going to be a long font. So just come over here and type it. My name is Lee Amuda. So please do it to subscribe, Mr. Theo. Is it Theophilus? Theophilus Joe. All right, so the color is going to be white. All right, so this is the font I was used, Bibans. So then like this, I come over here and centralize this. Sorry, not that, this, align it to the center like this. All right, so for the time or the date, we're going to have here Saturday 28th, Saturday 28th to Sunday 29th November. So we just increase this. So yeah, we just write. All right, so let me make it even one. Let's delete this. Let's make it one. So let's say November 2005. Right, so let's come over here, increase this guy. Then let's also change the colors. So with this, we have this color right here. Then we'll come over here and make sure that it's at the center. Then we have the time, Saturday and Sunday, different time. And then there, of course, the so let's come here, let's copy this. So for here, we can just write Saturday, let's say 10 a.m. At time for Saturday. Then we can come here and add a shape around it. So let's first of all pick the color that I want to use. It's going to be this red color right here. Then let us increase the padding around the design. Then let's go to top padding 9. All right, so all we need to do now is to copy this one. All right, so let's just copy this one. Okay, so here it's going to be for the Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, we just change it to Sunday. Sunday is going to be 11 a.m. All right, so the background color, let's change it to that same color that we have here. Okay, don't worry about it. I think it's good that that was used, so let's just pick the gold. Though it's a gradient gold though, but let's just pick this particular color here. All right, so let's use this one. That means we can change. We have to change the color here, right? So the next thing is going to be the address. We can quickly use this for the address. Then we can bring in this guy, which we're going to be using for the last part of the design, which is this. So we can just come here and fix this. Okay, so we can just increase it down here, copy it, then change the perspective here. Put this one. All right, so that is that. Do it to like this video and share. Remember to take this course, which is going to help you become a better graphic designer. All right, so it's just a very simple amount of money, 10,000. You're good to go. You can pay for it. Not this one I'm referring to this particular course right here. Pay for it. It's going to really help you. All right, it's help you. I'm telling you the truth. To help you a lot. Okay, so when we're done with the design, the next thing you want to do is to click over here and save as a project. Always save your work as a project, and then you are good to go. So thank you for staying till this time. I appreciate your time for watching my channel, and this channel has been a blessing to a lot and a lot and a lot of lives, including you that's watching right now. Please leave a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tell me where you're watching from. I appreciate you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.